In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns in a Notion database. If you are organizing tasks, projects, contacts, or any kind of structured information in Notion, adding columns is one of the easiest ways to make your database more useful. Columns in Notion are called properties, and each one helps you track a specific type of information, like text, numbers, dates, or assigned people. Once you know where to find the option, the process is very quick. To begin, open your Notion database and look at the top row where your current columns are displayed. This is the header row, and it usually includes existing properties such as name, tags, or any other fields you've already created. Take a moment to identify that row clearly, because this is where you'll be adding the new column. Next, move your attention to the far right side of the header row. Depending on the width of your screen and how many columns you already have, you may need to scroll horizontally to reach the end. Keep going until you see the plus icon. This is the button Notion uses to create a new property, which means a new column in your database. Once you find it, click the plus icon. This will open the new property menu. In this menu, Notion gives you several property types to choose from. And this step matters because the type you select determines what kind of information the column can store. Now choose the property type that best fits the data you want to track. For example, if you want to enter plain written information, choose text. If you need values you can calculate or sort numerically, choose number. If you want labels or categories, select is a good option. If you are tracking deadlines or schedules, choose date. And if the column is meant to show who is responsible for something, choose person. Picking the right type at this stage makes your database easier to use later. After selecting the property type, type in a clear and descriptive name for the new column. Try to keep the name specific enough that you'll immediately understand its purpose when viewing the database later. Once you've entered the name, press Enter to save it. And that's it. Your new column will now appear in the database header and be ready to use right away. As you build out your Notion setup, adding the right columns can make your database much more organized, searchable, and practical for everyday use.